Have you seen this way of finding the greatest common factor of two numbers? It's called the Euclidean algorithm, and here's what it looks like visually. Say we're finding the greatest common factor of 8 and 20. All we do is take off the difference and compare with one of the equal stacks and repeat until we can't anymore. So we keep going, and then when we have no difference, we're done. So the greatest common factor of 8 and 20 is 4. Now, here's what it looks like on pen and paper. We write the larger number on the left and the smaller number on the right. And we ask ourselves, how many of the smaller number fit into the larger number without going over? In this case, 2 8s can fit into 20 with 4 left over. And we saw this with the blocks. We saw that 2 8s can fit into 20 with 4 left over. And then we repeat the process with these two numbers. So how many 4s fit into 8? 2 with 0 as a remainder. Now, when we have 0 as a remainder, we're done. And the last non-zero remainder is our greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor of 8 and 20 is 4. And what's great about the Euclidean algorithm is that it works really well with larger numbers. So rather than doing all of this, we can find the greatest common factor of 120 and 496 in just a couple steps. So there you have it. The Euclidean algorithm is one of my favorite ways of finding the greatest common factor. If you want to try it for yourself, pause here and try these out. And we saw this with the blocks. We saw that 2 8s can fit into 20 with 4 left over.